watching I am ITMM.
How to make the after sales funnel. Just as there is the sales funnel, there is also the after sales funnel, which is responsible for guiding the journey after purchase. The funnel is composed of the steps of adoption. The first contact after purchase can be made by email, welcoming the brand community. Connection, choosing to make a first contact in a more personal way can make the experience more humanized. Service, scheduling. If your company has software as a product, one of the first contacts may be the onboarding process so your team can take your customer how best to use your product. Retention. At this stage, it has been some time since your first contact with the client. This is a great time to ask about first impressions since now he has made more time to try this product services. Expansion. By building a strong relationship with the buyer, it is already possible to make new proposal. You don't have to wait for the customers to come after your company, analyze their buying interest, and make a special offer. Advocacy. This is a great time for your buyer to be a promoter of your brand to do that. So, show the advantage of buying with you. Running engagement campaigns with sweepstakes and promotions is a great way for people to share your name. Optimize your after sales and increase your profits. The after sales process takes time but is much less costly than investing to attract new consumers. This is because it is necessary to discover and still all part of the client education about their brand. But so you can optimize your steps and invest time in what has the most cost benefit. Check out these next tips.